Good morning everyone! It's me, Kuya Eric once again. Samahan nyo kami because we'll be on a 4-day, 3-night trip to Bohol. It's our first time to be there in Bohol. We're very excited. Joanna and I will be with our friends. Samahan nyo kami kasi marami kaming planong mga activities na gawin. So yun, please tune in. You will expect a lot of vlogs coming from us. Thank you. Ta-travel muna kami papuntang Naiya. Bye! Hey guys, so just to update you, nandito na kami sa loob ng Naiya 3. Nasa boarding gate na kami actually. It's a full flight according to the staff. So nakabook kami through Cebu Pacific. Just to also share, today is January 18. It's a Saturday. It's currently 4:30 a.m. Yung flight namin will happen around 5:15 or 5:20 a.m. Mukhang magbo-board na kami shortly. So yun, very surprising na ganito karami na agad yung tao dito sa loob ng Naiya. And pero it's exciting, it's also fun, and it's also good to see na buhay yung tourism dito sa atin. Sana magpatuloy ito. Though sana, for us personally, hindi masyadong inconvenient na super puno yung plane. So yun lang. Later, siguro mag-share ako ng clips sa loob ng plane. Look forward to it. Guys, good morning from Bohol! So, nandito na kami finally. Super aga namin. It's just around 7:15 a.m. Dumating yung airplane namin dito on time, or actually a few minutes ahead of time. So, ayun, maghahanap lang kami ng mode of transportation. Probably tricycle ang sasakyan namin papunta sa hotel na nabook namin, which is called Captain's Lodge. So, ayun, nothing much really to do na dito sa airport, actually sa Panglao International Airport. So, we'll just find our way out and catch you later. Hi! Dito kami ngayon sa labas ng hotel of our choice, Captain's Lodge Hotel and Bar. Obviously, too early pa para mag-check-in, 2 p.m. pa yung check-in. So right now, nakiusap lang kami kung pwedeng i-drop yung mga maleta namin, and pumayag naman sila. Thank you so much dun sa staff na nag-assist sa amin so far. So ngayon, dahil too early pa and medyo gutom na kami, hindi pa kami nakakain ng breakfast na matino, hahanap muna kami. Nakakita kami ng McDonald's na malapit, so most likely doon kami kakain. So guys, nandito kami sa McDonald's right now, just eating breakfast. Since 2 p.m. pa nga yung check-in later, at almost 8 a.m. pa lang, super aga namin, we need to burn time. So first agenda is ito, magbe-breakfast lang. So ayan, simple meals lang from McDonald's. Tapos plano namin after kumain dito, maglalakad kami papuntang Alona Beach kasi walking distance lang din naman talaga siya. Tapos tingnan natin kung kamusta siya kasi first time lang din namin talaga makarating doon. Okay, see you later guys. Guys, ang ganda dito. So ito yung Alona Beach, Bohol's Pride. Comparable nga yung quality ng sand niya dun sa Boracay. White sand din, very fine. Wala akong masabi. Ang ganda. Doon. Though obviously, ibang-iba yung environment niya kumpara sa Boracay. Currently, hindi ganun karami yung tao. Siguro dahil nga kasi early morning pa. Makikita natin siguro later. And so far sa nakikita namin, parang yung beachfront niya is mas maikse kumpara sa Boracay. But that's just how it is, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan pareho. Makikita naman natin yung experience dito kung kamusta siya sa hapon, and especially kapag sunset moment na, tsaka kung ano yung nightlife. So tignan natin kung ano mangyayari pa for the rest of the day. Dalawa pa lang kami ni Joanna ngayon kasi yung friends namin mamayang hapon pa yung flight. So I'll try kung okay lang sa kanila na sumama sa vlog later. Tapos, ayun, also just to share, from the airport, 4 minutes away lang yung Captain's Lodge, yung hotel na pinag-i-stayan namin. Ang napili namin na transpo option is a tricycle. So, naglakad lang kami palabas ng airport. Tapos, mukhang yun yung cheapest na transpo option kasi ang dami nag-aalok ng mga taxi or other options, pero mukhang mahal kasi, mukhang mga 600 pesos plus or even more, while for the tricycle, though medyo pricey din siya, I would say 200 pesos yung binayad namin just for the two of us. Pero sabi naman ni Kuya, kaya naman daw ng 4 na tao nung tricycle niya, so tipid sana kung 4 kayo para tig 50 pesos lang per person. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung price. Hopefully, naging honest naman si Kuya. But so far, we're liking our experience here. Sana maka-check-in na soon kasi gusto din namin makapahinga. Hindi din kami kasi nakatulog ng mahaba since we had to wake up super early para sa 5:20 AM flight namin. Okay. So, ayun lang muna. Balikan ko kayo later, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa loob ng Captain's Lodge, guys. This is their common area. Inalaw naman nila kami na magstay dito habang nag-aantay ng check-in time. So ang cool nitong common area, maybe I can show to you guys. Merong billiard table na pwede na daw namin gamitin as early as now if we want to. Dun sa bandang dulo, maybe I can zoom in. It's a mini bar na available dito sa loob ng vicinity nila. So para sa mga bisitang gustong uminom, have a few drinks bago matulog siguro. Ayan, available siya, hindi na kailangan lumabas. So yun lang, the space is big enough since super early pa nga in the day. Kaming dalawa pa lang ni Joanna yung nandito na nag-aantay. There's a chance na we could go out for lunch later with a couple of our friends kasi I think yung flight nila na nakuha is around 9:45 a.m. So they might be able to arrive ng mga 11 a.m. Tingnan namin kung gusto nilang i-meet kami for lunch. Otherwise, we'll be here. Hopefully, makapag-check-in earlier than scheduled para makapagpahinga din talaga na maayos and makatulog din, makaidlip. So, we will be energized for the rest of the day. Later ulit, guys. Hey! Currently guys, nandito kami uli sa Alona Beach. We're just chilling. Nag-set up kami ng banig dito. Basically, mag-aantay lang kami ng sunset. Maybe it will happen in half an hour. Currently, it's 5 p.m. dito sa Bohol. So far, the experience has really been good. Nakatulog kami ng a few hours pagka-check-in namin kanina sa Captain's Lodge. Buti na lang talaga pinayagan nila kami mag-check-in ng maaga. Ang swerte namin, mga 10:30 a.m. ata nakapag-check-in na kami. So, thankfully, nangyari yun. Nakapag-restore kami ng energy kasi nakatulog kahit paano kasi 2 hours lang yung tulog namin kagabi. So, yun. Ito, chill muna dito. Inaantay pa namin yung friends namin to arrive kasi 6 p.m. yung arrival nila. So while waiting, chill muna tayo dito. Kanina nagmerienda kami. Habang naglalakad papunta dito sa Alona Beach, bumili ng food and drinks. Tapos isang observation talaga is napakaraming foreign visitors dito, especially Koreans. Probably because meron silang direct access dito sa Panglao International Airport, which is really good, no? Kasi for a month like January na hindi naman peak season, hindi naman summer pa, so it's good for the locals here na tuloy-tuloy yung source of income nila kasi they're getting visitors from outside the country. Though sana, syempre, mas maraming Filipinos na makaka-visit dito, sana mangyari yun soon. So yun lang muna guys. Later, I'll share a clip showing the sunset here by Alona Beach. Sana magustuhan nyo. Catch you guys later. Dinner time na, everyone. Dito kami sa Cajun Chicken and Burgers. Kasama ko si Mrs. of course, and we're now with our two friends. So this is my college best friend, Melvin. Tapos, his wife, Jackie. Hello, hello. This is an American diner that we're in. So, mostly, the likes of chicken, burger, fries. So, yun yung mga food dito. It's a little pricey, pero the moment na na-serve yung food namin, laki naman pala ng serving. So, mukhang sulit naman. So, guys, kakain lang muna kami for a few minutes. Tapos, we plan to do a night out. We plan to do some partying. Hindi natin gumagawa nga natin kung may energy pa tayo. For now, kain lang muna guys. Hello! Dito kami ngayon sa isang Irish pub sa may Alona Beach lang din actually. So, we're just having a few drinks with friends and kasi kompleto na kami ngayon. Yung mga friends namin na may late flights today, dumating na sila finally. So, yun, nagkakayaan. Just have a few drinks. So, nandito kami sa isang pub malapit sa Alona Beach. Not really sa beachfront. Medyo malapit doon. So, yun, we're just going to spend a few hours here. Ayun, magkakwentuhan, just catching up over drinks. Tapos tomorrow, we'll be having a land tour, a countryside tour, which includes visiting Chocolate Hills. So, I think this is where I end the vlog for our day 1. Thank you so much pagsama sa mga naging ganap namin today. Please watch out for the next vlog where we would feature pretty much the usual touristy spots here in Bohol. So yun. Once again, thank you everyone for tuning in. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Please help the community grow so we can put out more content for everyone. Okay. Good night everyone.